Hi guys, this is Hester with WTI, and who doesn't like these glossy lips on a summer day or when you go to the beach or on a casual day that you want your lips to look good, hydrated? Well, I found this product a while ago and I wanted to share how it can elevate my looks according to the occasion. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Polish, and this is the clear one. I didn't go for a color this time because I wanted something to put on top of any lipstick that I wear. Also, like the applicator. The applicator is really easy to use. It's just a regular one that would come with any gloss, but this one is slightly bigger, so it allows you to apply as much product as you want. And you don't need much. You actually just need one application, and that will be more than enough. You will feel slight tingling in a few seconds, and then you'll just have to wait until you see the final result. And what I love about this lip plumper is that it's not sticky, which is what makes it more comfortable to wear. And I love the finish on my lips. I think it looks beautiful. I really like this product. Ever since I started getting it, I have recommended it to my friends because I think it's a great find. And I think it could be a great find for you too. But that's my point of view.